Hello friends, in this video we're going to do date calculations in Tableau. I'm going to pull out all the various calculations that you can do with dates and see all the applications that you can use them to. All right, so the first one is date add. Date add is one of my go-to calculation that I do whenever I want to convert a calendar year to fiscal year. And I've already created a calculation here. So you can see that you can specify let me start with the day. So right now our order date is 2 January 2011, and now I'm adding 6 days to January 2, so it will be January 7, 8 rather. So 1 8 here. So I'm adding 6 days to 1 2. If I come here and add month, I'm going to add 6 months to January, so it will be July, which is 7. And if I do year, it's going to add 6 years to 2011, which is 2017. So you can see the change to 2017 here. All right, that's that for date add. Let's go to the second one. The second one is date diff or date difference. I've already created a calculation here. Right now, I have order date, ship date per each and every order. And same again, we can look the difference in terms of days. In our case, the difference between order date and ship date is 4 days. And I can do months. For months, it will be just mostly 1 month here, because between December and January is just 1 month. If I want to check in terms of year, I bet it's going to be all zeros because all the orders were shipped in within 1 year. But that's how you use it to check the difference between two dates. Let's look at the third one. Let's do date name. All right, so for date name, if I can increase this. All right. So yeah, you specify which one you want to look at. So let me do the month in this case, then month of order date. I do date name here, and again you can do day, month, whatever, or year. I need my order date or rows. It's discrete, and let me do date name. Right, I did month, so it's gonna name the month of this date. So when you go to 2/1, which is February, it's gonna do 2/1. Same thing with all the other months like December, it is 12 here. And I can come back again here and edit the day, and it will gonna tell me it's day number 22 of the month, 27, whatever. Let's go to the next one. I'll drag again my order date on rows as a discrete, and let's see what we can do. Date pass. Right, date pass, we usually it converts a string date to a specified date format. I'm not going to show you that one. Let me just go to date part. Is this one? It returns a part of a given date as a integer where the part is defined by date part. So that what it means is that let me do date part here. It just returns the integer. Yeah, date part of the month of order date. So okay, it's a termination here. Right, so it's showing the month. So when it's February, it's going to show the month. The integer of the month is number 2, whereas when we come to December again, it's going to be 12. Next calc that I want to show, let's see, debt trunk. Um, it kind of truncates the specified date to a accurate specified by the date part. So you can truncate a quarter to it kind of rounds off a date. If you want to truncate it to a quarter to to the nearest quarter that you want, you can truncate to a quarter, to a year, to a month, whatever you want. So let's go to today. All right. So today is, I also use today. Let me do it this way. So if you just write today like this one, it gives you the date as of today. Let me show it in this way, and I'll drop it on text and maybe customize it a little bit and do this. So it will tell you the exact date which we have today. So today's November 7, it's going to return November 7. So let's say you can use today to find the current year, use it to subtract uh, the date field that you have to find other years. So let's say order date minus today minus one, something like that, and you can come up with something. But anyway, that's today for you. And let me do another one. Yeah, it can return the year. So let's say, example, I can do year of order date. I can come back to this one. Right, it will return the actual year of the order date, and you can do the same. If I go on year, you can do the same with month of order date. You can do the same with the day of order date. You can do the same again with quarter of order date. So this will all return whatever you specify. Let's say, for example, let's do quarter. I'm commenting these ones out, and I'm left with quarter. Then my calculation is valid, and it's gonna tell me the quarter of the year of that date. So that's basically those calculations that you can do. There are many, but those are some of the useful ones that you do, that you use day to day. As a, you can also use min and max. These two, they return. Let's say you have an order. I can quickly show you that one. Let's say you have an order ID, then order date. So you can see this order, you have got two order dates. Now, if I do mean order date, it will return the lowest order date between the two, which is in this case 11.9. So I am going to do measure. I am going to do, let's see, just I don't have it. I can do a quick calc for that. Mean order date. So if I do mean order date, and drop it here, it's gonna return now, because I've got two rows here, but the actual mean order date will be level 9 in this case. Same thing with max order date. It will return the maximum order date. All right. All right. So that's basically how you use these calculations in your day to day as a as a developer, as a data analyst. Thank you and bye bye.